Welcome back to Kaiju Rider, where a while back I made this video about the best kind of mirrors for a motorcycle. Well, since then I found this fourth option and now I'm going to install it onto my MT07 because I think it might be better than everything in that video.
So that's the installation, but how about real world use? I'll break it into pros and cons. Pros are, it's about the same position as my tracer had for the bar end mirrors. Also, if you drop the bike, it doesn't hit the mirrors. The bars are ever so slightly wider, not that the pictures show it. Further, it's lower than stock, so it goes under car mirrors when filtering, and again, it's about the same width as the handlebars, so it fits everywhere that your hands fit. And even though it's not as wide as stock mirrors, because I can pull them slightly further back towards my hands, I see around my elbows quite a bit better. So the rear field of view is amazing. Now as far as cons, I haven't found any yet.